Hello everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your following list on Instagram. So how you can do? Let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Open it, and then you can simply click here on your profile. And this is my fake account. And then you can simply click here on three lines. And then you can simply click here on settings, and then you can see this type of interface, and you can simply click here on privacy, and you can simply see on the first option is private account. Click on it and turn on, and you can simply click here switch to private and click on it. And after enable private accounts, nobody can see your following list on Instagram without being your friend. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video are helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you another video.